Hello everyone, it's Victoria Wilson here with another guided meditation, and this one is to help to tune into peace. Meditation can be a very deep inquiry into the mind. It can be undertaken in intensive retreats, wherein subtle features of the way the mind works and levels of mind that don't normally get accessed can come to light. However, meditation is also something that we can practice in a lunch break or when returning home from work as a means to regain balance and to stay centered in daily life. So let's just begin by sitting quietly, sitting still in a settled place in a way that feels comfortable. Relax your eyes, but let them stay open or half open with a relaxed gaze. Be aware of the sensation of your eyeballs resting in the eye sockets rather than focusing on what you can see. Be sensitive to the tendency for the eyes to fidget and keep relaxing that. As an alternative, you may find it helpful to let your gaze rest in a relaxed way on a suitable object, such as a view into the distance. Now bring your attention to the sensations of your hands, then your jaw and tongue. See if they too can take a break from being on guard. Let your tongue rest in the floor of your mouth. Then sweep that relaxing attention from the corners of the eyes and around the head, as if you were unfastening a headscarf. Allow the scalp to feel free. Now, let your eyes close. As you relax all around your face and head, bring that quality of attention slowly, gradually, down over your throat. Loosen up there, as if allowing each out-breath to sound an inaudible drone. Keeping in touch with these places in your body, be aware of the flow of thoughts and emotions that pass through the mind. Listen to them as if you're listening to flowing water or the sea. If you find yourself reacting to them, bring your attention to the next out-breath, continuing to relax through the eyes, the throat, and the hands. If you feel like extending this, sweep that attention down your body to the soles of your feet. In this way, build up a whole sense of the body at ease. While maintaining awareness of the overall presence of your body, practice stepping back from or letting go of any thoughts and emotions that arise. Don't add to them, let them pass. Whenever you do that, notice the sense of spaciousness, however brief, that seems to be there, behind the thoughts and feelings. Attune to the peacefulness of that. Feel the peaceful quality of that spaciousness and take it in. Take a few long, slow out-breaths, sensing your breath flowing out into the space around you. Let the in-breath begin by itself. Sense how the in-breath draws in from the space around you. Attune to the rhythm of that process. You can support this reference to the breathing process by asking, "How is my breathing now?" It's also useful to think slowly and carefully in ways that calm or gladden the heart. Bring to mind any instances of people's actions that have touched you in a positive way, in terms of kindness or patience or understanding. Repeatedly touch the heart with a few specific instances, dwelling on the feeling that it evokes. Stay with the most deeply felt recollection for a minute or two, with a sense of curiosity. How is this affecting me? Sense any effect in terms of heart. There may be a quality of uplift or of calming or of firmness. You may even detect a shift in your overall body tone. Allow yourself all the time in the world to be here with no particular purpose other than to feel how you are in this way. Dwell upon and expand awareness of any sense of vitality, stillness, comfort, or spaciousness. Now it's time to conclude this meditation, but keep attuned in a peaceful way. First, feel how you are in bodily terms. Then, notice what inclinations and attitudes seem natural and important. Then allow yourself to bring those to your daily life by asking, what is important to me now? What matters most? Then let your actions establish themselves in accordance with that. Good. So thank you everyone, and happy practicing.